Hey there, thank you for watching my new video. Today I want to show you this stitch, and it's a small chevron stitch, and I made it in two colors, but you can make it in, well, maybe one color or more colors, but I did it in two. And I'm taking my yarn with me along the sides so I don't have to weave in too much ends, only the beginning and when I'm done. So this is how it looks at the front and the back. And before I'm going to show you how this works, how you can crochet this stitch, I want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel if you did not already do that, and turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And if you want to help me develop my channel, there are two links in the description below where you can help me so I can still keep up with patterns for you on my video on my YouTube channel. So let's get started to make this small chevron stitch. I'm using a orange color and a white color. First I'm going to make a slip stitch, and I've got a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. And for this pattern you need to make a chain with a multiple of 11 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to do 2 times 11, and then you need to add 2 more chains. 2. So for row 1, skip that first stitch. In the next one, make 2 single crochets. This will be your edge over here, and we need to go down and up. Now for the next 4 stitches, we need to make 1 single crochet in every stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times 1 single crochet. Okay, now let's skip 2 stitches, and in the next one make a single crochet, and in the next 3 also 1 single crochet. So there will be 4 single crochets next to each other. And you can see there is a point coming up over here. Now for the next stitch we need to make 3 single crochets in 1 stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. This will be your top, so you can see there's already coming the chevron pattern in here. Now just repeat this part over here. For the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. 3 and 4. You can see we're coming with the down part of the chevron. So we need to skip 2 stitches. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet. And don't make this too tight over here, or your work will be crumbling up like this. So 4 single crochets like this. And if you have more stitches than I have, then you need to make 3 single crochets into the next stitch. So like where you did it over here too. So if your project is wider, make 3 single crochets in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 3 single crochets in the next stitch, etc. And when you're at the end, then you need to make 2 single crochets in this stitch, like this. Now for the next row, this will be the same as the row we just did, so this is just a repeat. Chain 1, turn your work, and in that first stitch you're gonna make 2 single crochets. So 1 and 2. Now for the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet in every stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And because you decreased and increased here, you also need to skip 2 stitches over here. So skip 2 stitches, and in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And maybe you can see that this was the 1, 2, 3 single crochets in one stitch. So when you are done with your 4th single crochet, then you automatically come to that center of your 3 single crochets. So on top of there you need to make your 3 single crochets. So 1, 2 and 3. And for the next 4 stitches, and this is your first of your 3 single crochets of your previous row. I hope it makes sense what I'm saying for you. So this was your 1, 2, 3, and this is your 3rd, or in fact this was your 1st from the previous row. There you'll start your 1st single crochet. So 1 in the next stitch make 1 more single crochet, in the next stitch a single crochet, and in the next stitch. So there's always a group of 4 single crochets next to each other. Now we are at the down part over here, so we need to skip 2 stitches, and into the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And just go ahead and repeat this. So if you have more stitches than I have, make 3 single crochets in the next stitch, and then in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, skip 2 stitches, in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, and then at the top make 3 single crochets, etc. And now I'm at the last stitch, and there we need to put 2 single crochets in, but I'm going to change colors. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet with this orange color, and now in the same stitch I'm going to drop a loop, and I leave my orange color, and I'm grabbing my white yarn, put it over your hook and pull it through those 2 loops on your hook. There you just changed color. Now chain 1, turn your work, and you can see the chevron is coming up really nice right now. So I'm going to show you one more time. In that first stitch make 2 single crochets, in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, you can see we are at the down part over here, so skip 2 stitches, and into the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, and 4, and now we are at the top, so make 3 single crochets over here in that 1 stitch. And now we're going to go down, so make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and now we're at the bottom, so skip 2 stitches, and into the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I have 1 stitch left, so make 2 single crochets in that last stitch. I'm not going to change colors because I'm going to make 2 rows of the same color, so I'm gonna pick up my next color when I'm done with the 2nd row. So chain 1, turn your work, 2 single crochets in that first stitch. For the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, skip 2 stitches, in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, we are at the top now, so make 3 single crochets in that very 1 stitch. Now we need to go down again, so make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, 3 and 4. Now we're at the bottom, so skip 2 stitches, and in the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet and 4. Now I'm at the end and I want to change colors again, so I'm going to make 1 single crochet that last stitch, and then I'm going to draw up a loop in that same stitch. I'm going to drop my white yarn and picking up my orange yarn and pull it through my 2 loops, and then just chain 1, turn your work, and then you go further with your pattern. So it's a very easy pattern to follow, and you can see how nicely the small chevron is coming up on your crochet work. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.